Yeah, so 20 years ago, I returned home from my first week in college. It was a month before my 19th birthday at the time, and feeling a sense of excitement and a sense of freedom, having taken on this new chapter in my life. I collected a few of my friends in the car, and we went for a drive, catching up in the week and having the crack and having a bit of stories and fun in the car. And then I decided to take this road that I had never taken before. And as I was driving the car back home, I took a corner too fast and hit the oncoming car, unfortunately. And there was a lady who died on the scene on that day. And that completely changed my life. And it was a moment of what felt like complete insanity to me at the time, because a few moments earlier I'm in the car with my friends and we're having the crack and catching up and the world is our oyster, and then a few moments later, somebody's dead and it's on me. And that was one of the most harrowing and difficult experiences that I've ever gone through in life, and again, something I've carried with me ever since, over the last 20 years. I live to be a better man today because the victim's family were absolutely incredible, so supportive, so loving, so forgiving. And a couple of days later I was attending the wake and they welcomed me into their house, into their home. And of course, one of the most difficult experiences in my life, but the love and support that I felt from them, the forgiveness from them, which again was reflected on the day of the court when 3 of her sisters attended, and one of the sisters took the stand and told the judge that the family didn't wish for me to go to jail. And that stuck with me. That's had an incredibly powerful effect on my life, and it's really influenced what I do today as a man who helps other men out through their struggles and difficulties. And it's thanks to their love and their forgiveness that has allowed that to happen.